I don't know much about relationships. I definitely don't know anything about love. All I want, like in the world, is to just keep talking to you.
Okay.
Okay.
I want to know how your day was, where you want to eat. I don't want to argue with you.
What do you want from me?
What do I want from you? I like you.
I don't do this.
And I know it's not that simple.
You had your mom come to my house to beg for another date. That is so pathetic.
Yes, I agree. If you'd just be willing to continue having this conversation with me.
I'm trying to keep your distance from me in no way lessens my affection for you.
We can figure the rest out.
Why do I and everyone I love pick people who treat us like we're nothing?
We accept the love we think we deserve.
Then why didn't you ever ask me out?
May these words be the first to find your ears. World is brighter than the sun now that you're here. Though your eyes need some time to adjust to the overwhelming light surrounding us. I'll give you everything I have, I'll teach you everything I know. I promise I'll do better. I will always hold you close, but I will learn to let you go. I promise I'll do better. I will soften every edge, I'll hold the world to its best. And I'll do better. With every heartbeat I've left, I will defend you every breath. And I'll do better.
And you carved April in the bench outside.
It was April.
Why would you carve April?
Hereby pledge all of my days to prove it so. Though your heart is far too young to realize.
What do you mean? I care about you.
Never even hang out with me.
Yeah, I love you.